Hello class, I hope you have completed the last topic which I taught you in my last video. That was we did exercise 2b. So I'm moving on further with the next exercise of the chapter fractions, that is 2c. Here there are the word problems given. You can see in your book also the word problems are given in which you have the fractional numbers, but the method you have to use is the same. Means you have to form the equations as you did in B exercise, how to solve the fractions by adding and subtracting or by multiplying, and then we will get the answer. So we'll move on with the exercise. The first question: the cost price of a microwave oven is rupees 12,600. Rajesh paid 2/3 of the price in cash and the rest in 12 equal monthly installments. Means there was a microwave oven. Rajesh purchased a microwave and the cost is 12,600. Now this full amount he has not paid. He paid the 2/3 of the cash. So first we find out what is 2/3 of the total amount, that is 12,600. So the amount will be 8,400. So this 8,400 he has given as a cash, and the question is saying that the left money, so means we have to find the money which is left after paying by subtracting, that is 4,200. So this 4,200, the remaining money is to be paid in 12 equal monthly installments. Means कितनी installments बनाइए? 12 हर महीने की. ठीक है, तो हर महीने मतलब 1 year equals to 12 months and 12 monthly installments. So means the remaining amount you have to divide by 12. So you will get how much money Rajesh has to pay in 1 month. So 350 amount is the answer which Rajesh has to pay in 1 month. So this 350, if he will pay every month till 12 months, here his remaining money will be cleared, which is 4,200. Okay, I hope it is cleared. Now the second one: Aftab monthly salary is 25,000. He spent 1/5 of his salary on rent. Remaining amount he spends 1/4 on education of his children and 1/5 on food. So what was the salary of Aftab? That is 25,000. So from this 25,000 he gave as a rent. How much? 1/5. So 1/5 of the total is 5,000. So 5,000 he gave as a rent. After rent, it is written in the question of the remaining amount. Whenever in the question the word written remaining amount, so means you have to first find out the money which is left. The remaining amount means जो भी हमने पे कर दिया है उसको टोटल में से माइनस करके फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट. सो from 25,000 he has given 5,000 as a rent, so remaining will be 20,000. Now from this 20,000 he is giving on education, that is 1/4, then 1/5 on food, and then you have to find out according to the question Aftab's monthly expenditure. So expenditure was 3. First one rent 5,000, on education 5,000, and on food 4,000. So total expenditure is 14,000. And then you have to find out what? Yes, savings. Savings is what? From total, if we subtract the expenditure, we will get the saving. I hope this is clear. It's easy, yes? Not so tough. Now the next question is, there is a wire whose length is 3/4 meter, and this wire is cut into 3 pieces. The first piece length is given and the second piece length is given. But the second piece length is given in condition with the first. Means the length of second piece is 5/3 of first. So how to begin this? First you write total length of the wire. Length of first piece it is given complete 3/20 meter, and the second piece length what it is given 5/3 of first piece. So that is why of किसके करना है? First piece के, that is 3/20. So you got the length of the second piece, that is 1/4. Now the question is asking to find the length of the third piece. टोटल में से अगर हम फर्स्ट और सेकंड को माइनस कर देंगे, सो ऑब्वियसली विल गेट द लेंथ ऑफ द थर्ड पीस. सो हियर आई फॉर्म्ड एन इक्वेशन: टोटल लेंथ माइनस length of first plus second. Total length was 3/4 minus first length 3/20 plus second length 1/4. So you know how to solve this. You have done this in B2B exercise using BODMAS. First solve the bracket and then you will get your answer. Okay. So this is about question number 3rd. Now question number 4th. There was a man, John, who got a prize of 75,000 in a TV contest. So he paid 1/10 of the prize as income tax. Out of the remaining, he gave 1/3 to his son, 1/5 to his daughter, and 1/10 to the Red Cross Society. And the rest he gave to his wife. Now question is asking, what portion of the prize did John's wife get and how much? Okay. So what was the total amount he received? That is 75,000. Yes. He gave 1/10 of the total to income tax. So that is 7,500. 1/10 of 75,000. Okay. Now, as I told, just after income tax, what question is saying? Out of the remaining. Now, the word has come which is remaining. So now we'll not talk about 75,000. We have to find out the remaining amount now. 75,000 में से income tax का amount को minus करके we have to find out the remaining amount. Because from that remaining amount, John has distributed the money to his family. Yes. So remaining amount is 67,500. Now from this 67,500, 1/3 he gave to his son, 1/5 he gave to his daughter, and 1/10 he gave to the Red Cross Society. So to the 3 people he has given. And how much he gave to his wife, it is not given. That we have to find out. You add the total amount given to son plus daughter plus society, and then how much money he was having in hand while giving to his family, that was 67,500. Now no more 75,000. okay, 67,500 में से जितना उसने son को दिया plus daughter को दिया plus Red Cross को दिया, we'll subtract that and we'll get the money given to his wife. So that is 24,750. I hope it is clear, class. Okay, you word problems are not so tough. You read the question very well, understand the grammar of the question. Always after reading the question, stop after every full stop and change that sentence into Hindi. Okay, try to understand it in Hindi, means you have to understand the grammar. Then it will be very easy, related to your real life, it will be very easy for you to solve. Okay, so do step by step. So it was said, then the money which was left after giving to son, daughter and Red Cross Society, he gave to his wife. So that is why first I find out how much he gave to son, then daughter, then society. Add them all and then subtract it from the money he was having in his hand after giving to income tax. That was 67,500. So by subtracting we got 24,750. This is the money for his wife. Now the question is also asking the fraction. This value, the money which he gave to his wife, you have to convert it into fraction. So how to convert into fraction? जिस भी number को fraction में करना है, that number you have to keep in the numerator. And what you have to keep in the denominator should be the total amount, total final, which is given in the question, in the very first line. Total amount was 75,000. So fraction किसी भी चीज़ का निकालते तो हम यही करते हैं. In the numerator you keep that quantity जिसको fraction में change करना है. And in the denominator we put the total quantity, that is 75,000. Cancel it by the multiples and you will get the answer. So